Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. Today we are picking the winner of the 1 year giveaway. And I've already got it boxed up and ready to go and everything. I'll be sending it out and look at this. Yeah, that's right, a Mary Kay box. So make sure to save that. Anyway, so just a quick recap. The Oak Ridge, the Black Ops brisket rub, the Heath Riles jalapeno garlic rub, and the Cosmos Q apple habanero rib glaze. All these things, that's what one lucky winner will be getting. And just remember that you needed to, wherever you're from, a period, a random comment, your favorite food, and that's it. You're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and jump on the random comment picker and pick the winner. And if you do win, my information will be in the description below. Make sure to hit show more, and my email address will be in there, jbm.munday@gmail. That's where you can get a hold of me. I initially said it'll be 48 hours to collect the prize and let me know, but actually it'll be till the end of Friday. Today is Monday afternoon. I'll be putting this out, so that gives you 4.5 days. So at the end of Friday, if nobody's gotten a hold of me, I'll do a redraw and then drop another video, and hopefully somebody gets a hold of me then. Anyway, let's go ahead and pick the winner. Okay guys, so here it is. There's obviously the video, the 1 year giveaway. I took the URL. We're at the random comment generator. I put the URL in. All we're gonna do is hit start and see who the winner is. So let's go ahead and start raffle and pick winner. Good luck, everybody. Oh, actually, sorry, I apologize. I had to get the comments. So anyway, here we go again. All right, now let's hit the button and see who the winner is. Oh, winner, chicken dinner. That is Chris from East Wind Farms. So there you go, Chris. Congratulations, my brother. You are the winner of my giveaway. Just make sure to contact me. My information will be in the description below. And yeah, that's it. So just get a hold of me. I'm sure you will. I know Chris very well. So that's the giveaway, guys. Thanks for participating, and we'll catch you on the next one.